Welcome to my Coextro Internet Provider Review. Exploring Coextro? Check the description for plan details and pricing. In this video, we'll cover Coextro's features, target audience, and performance to help you decide. This Canadian provider delivers high-speed fiber and cable internet to homes and businesses. They're known for competitive pricing, unlimited data, and no hidden fees, a cost-effective alternative to bigger providers. Speeds range from 50 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second, covering casual browsing to demanding tasks like gaming and remote work. Coextro prioritizes customer service, offering fast, responsive support with knowledgeable representatives. They offer flexible month-to-month plans, perfect if you avoid long-term contracts. Coextro shines in apartments and condos with a dedicated fiber network, providing ultra-fast speeds and minimal congestion. Installation is straightforward, with professional and self-install options. Coextro provides advanced Wi-Fi 6 routers with robust wireless coverage, parental controls, and device management. While availability is limited within Canada, they're expanding. Their transparent pricing and no data caps are great for heavy users. Overall, Coextro offers a reliable, customer-focused solution with flexible plans and excellent speeds. If they're in your area, they're worth considering. Check the description for the latest offers, and thanks for watching.